Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's vlog, it's another collaboration and another review with this Ovente electric kettle. Since I love to make some coffee, although I have a coffee maker, sometimes I love to have this like a sachet of coffee in the morning, and I need to boil the water. So yeah, now I have this different kind of kettle to boil a water, which is Ovente. So yeah, stay with me and bear with me because this is Erica Lifestyle here, and welcome back to my channel. And so yeah, without any further ado, let's keep the ball rolling, and let's see and what are the inclusions with this simple yet very durable electric kettle. So yeah, so welcome back to my channel guys, and today is a different background. I am here at my kitchen since we are going to review one of the kitchen apparatuses. So we have here a kettle, and the brand is Ovente. So there you go. So they have so this is electric kettle, by the way. So they have white, red, green, and pink. Since I love white when it comes to kitchen utensils or kitchen apparatuses, so kitchen equipment, so I choose white color. So there you go, and this is how it looks like. See, and it's easy, and it has this one. You just take it out and then pull it down when you put some water in it, and it's there you go. So yeah, Ovente electric kettle, it's KP72 series. You can put into 1.7 liters of water for you to boil. So yeah, and I think they also have black color as well. So, but they have pink and green. So back to the what are the parts and features when it comes to this Ovente electric kettle. So what I have here is the manual, and it's for free when you buy this one. So it has important safeguards and using your kettle and distilling your kettle and care and maintenance and how to do this. And yeah, so it's gonna be a long minute for me to read the important safeguards with this electric kettle. So yeah, I'll just read some of the parts and the features of this Ovente electric kettle. So it has wide mouth spout, as you can see right there, and pour waters quickly while avoiding spillage. And cool touch handle. See the handle right here, and it's safe to hold while hot. And then it has 1.7 liter capacity for a water for you to boil for ideal entertaining guests. So yeah, perfect. And included safety features, it's boil dry protection, and it's auto shut off. So once you done boiling with the water, and it's automatically shut it off itself, and that is very safety. So nothing to worry. It's right after you boil your water in this Ovente electric kettle, it's shut it off automatically. And what else? It has 360 degrees rotary base. So this is the base right here. As you can see, it's 360. So you can just do like that and 360. See? You can move it around with belt and cord storage. So this is the cord. I think it has like half a I don't know how does it long. So yeah, it has a also here, using your kettle, open the kettle, you just press right here. This is the turn it off and on. So here is how to open. So it will open once you plug it in. And yeah, so put the base on a dry earth. So you have to put this base in a dry surface, dry even surface. Place the kettle on the base. You have to place right there and connect the kettle to properly installed 110 to 120 volts. Of course, here in the US is 110 to 120 volts. So insert the plug in into the socket. As simple as that. So disconnect the kettle from the main power supply when not in use for safety measures. So yeah, it's easy. So I think it has this killing your kettle. It's right here also. And care and maintenance. Just wipe the exterior of the kettle with a soft, damp cloth or sponge or even paper towel. Remove the water spots with damp cloth. Do not use abrasive scoring pads. Those Scotch Brides, don't use at all. Just use like I said, a soft and damp cloth or sponge or a paper towel. And never immerse the kettle into water or other liquids. And then what's next is I think we're done with that. I think we're gonna try now and how it works. So first we have to put a water. So we gonna try now the electric. So we're gonna put some water there. See, it's open now. We just press the button here. There. See, let's put some water. That's enough. And then let's undo this one. Put the kettle on the vase. Okay, let's put right there. And then plug in. And then let's press the button here. See? So in a minute, it's gonna in a few minutes from now, it's gonna boil. So we're still waiting for the, see, it's make noise right now, as you can hear. There you go. See, it's boiling now. So I only put like a 1 glass of water to boil. So I think it took 1 minute or 2 minutes to boil. That is fast. You know, see, it's boiling, as you can see. Boiling. Now we have hot water. There you go. It's boiling, and yeah. So if you want hotter, it's gonna be. See, even if you try to like reboil it, but it's automatic shut it off because it's already hot. So right here, this is the power button here. This is the power button, on and off. This one on how to open. So yeah, I think that's it. So that's it, guys, and that's for today's video, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and see you in my next vlog. Once again, this has been Erica Lifestyle, and thank you for watching, and yeah, saying to you, stay safe and be kind to one another. Bye.
Did it work out okay?
Mm.